Are you worried that AI might one day replace programmers like you? It's a valid concern, but there's a way to turn this fear into an opportunity. In this video, we'll show you how you can use AI in programming to not only improve your efficiency and productivity, but also to future-proof your skills and stay ahead of the curve. So if you want to learn how to harness the power of AI and avoid being replaced, keep watching. We'll focus on OpenAI, a research institute that has made significant contributions to the field of artificial intelligence. One of the ways they've done this is by developing a range of machine learning models that can be used by programmers and developers. These models can be used to solve a wide range of problems. Let's look at some examples. GPT is a language model that can generate human-like text such as articles, stories, and even code. On the other hand, DALL-E is a model that can create original images based on text descriptions, such as a two-story pink house with a white fence. And at the other end of the spectrum, there is AlphaZero, a model that can learn how to play games by training itself on a large dataset of examples, such as chess or Go. By using these models, programmers can save time and effort by automating tasks that would otherwise require significant manual effort. They can also use these models to improve the quality and accuracy of their work, as well as obtain insights that would be difficult to gain otherwise. OpenAI offers a range of APIs that can be used to access the capabilities of their machine learning models from within your own applications. These APIs are easy to use and support a variety of programming languages, including JavaScript. In order to use these APIs, you will need to obtain an API key from OpenAI. You can sign up for a free one by using the link provided in the description. Let's see a few examples of using OpenAI APIs in Node.js. These are all available in the description. We'll be using the OpenAI npm package and passing in our API key. Once we have instantiated the package with our configuration, we will be able to call the actual methods. Our first example, we will be using the DaVinci model. We'll create a completion by feeding it a prompt and some optional context. This is how you would build things like chatbots, language translation tools, or even generate content such as blog posts. For example, in here, we are just asking what is the capital of France and getting the answer Paris. For our second example, we will be using the famous DALL-E. This API allows you to create an original image based on a text description. Here, I am asking to generate a picture of a potato with a fedora hat riding on a bicycle. You can do some crazy stuff with this. Some use cases for DALL-E could be to build image search engines, augmented reality applications, or any creative tooling for artists. One of the most hyped APIs from OpenAI is called ChatGPT. It is a variant of the GPT-3 language model that is specifically designed for conversation. This API allows you to build chatbots and other conversational agents that will make answers really sound human-like. It can handle a wide range of tasks, from answering questions and providing information to engaging in small talk and even participating in games. However, it's important to note that ChatGPT is only currently available through a private beta program. This means that access is limited and you'll need to apply to the program in order to use it. While ChatGPT is only available through this program, some developers have found a way around this and have created an npm package that lets you access the capabilities of their API. One example is the npm package ChatGPT API from the GitHub user �ฑ𝐸𝐺𝐸. Using this package, you are able to authenticate using your credentials in a Node.js environment and submit requests to the ChatGPT algorithm. It's important to note that this library is not officially supported by OpenAI and may not offer the same performance as the real API calls. However, it can still be useful for developers who want to experiment and make a chatbot with GPT. In conclusion, learning how to use AI APIs like those offered by OpenAI can empower you as a programmer and help you stay relevant in a rapidly changing field. So if you're interested in staying up to date with the latest developments in artificial intelligence and programming, please be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.